Exercise 5.3. Now the question number 4 to 11. Question number 4. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 that must be taken to give the sum of 636? How many terms means number of terms. We have to find the n in this series. The series is 9, 17, 25 and sum is 636. Here A equal to 9 and D equal to 17 minus 9 equal to 8. The formula of sum equal to Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Sn is 636, n by 2, 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 8. Simplify this, cross multiplied by 2, 636 into 2. N 18 plus 8n minus 8. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 7, 2 6 are n 8n plus 10. 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 equal to 0. Here it is a quadratic equation. Taking 2 common, 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. You can solve by using a quadratic formula. Then you will get n equal to 12 and n equal to minus 53 by 4. So n equal to minus 53 by 4 is not possible. Therefore n equal to 12 is the right answer. Question number 5. The first term of an AP is 5 and the last term is 45. The sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. A equal to 5 and an equal to 45. A equal to 5, an equal to 45, sum is 400. So by using the sum formula, Sn equal to n by 2, a plus l. L means last term. 400 equal to n by 2, 5 plus 45. 50, n equal to 400 into 2 divided by 50 equal to 16. Now using formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 45, a equal to 5 plus n minus 1, it means 16 minus 1 into d. 45 minus 5, 40 is equal to 15 d. D equal to 40 by 15. It means 8 by 3. This is the common difference. Next question. Question number 6. Find the question number 6. The first and the last term of an AP is 17 and 350. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? It means you have to find the n and Sn. A equal to 17, L equal to 350 and difference equal to 9. By using formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 350 equal to 17 plus n minus 1 into 9. Solve this equation. Solving this equation, 350 minus 17 divided by 9 equal to n minus 1. 333 by 9 is 37, n minus 1 equal to 37. It means n equal to 37 plus 1, 38. And you have to find the sum of 38 terms. It means n by 2, 38 by 2, 2a, a equal to 17, plus n minus 1, it means 37 into d is 9. Solve this equation, you will get the answer. Question number 7. Find the sum of first 22 terms of an AP in which d equal to 7 and 22nd term is 149. Find the sum of 22 terms. n equal to 22, difference equal to 7, a 22 149. Find the sum of 22 terms. Then we have to find the a, first term. First term a22 equal to a plus 21d. a22 149 equal to a plus 21 into 7. Solve this, we have to get a equal to 2. And find the sum of 22 terms. It means n equal to 22, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, it means 21 into d is 7. Now solve this equation, you will get 4 plus 11 into 151. The answer is, multiplying this, 11 1 11, 1661. This is the answer of question number 7. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an APs whose second and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. Sum of 51 terms, it means n equal to 51. Second and third term, a2 and a3 are these. N equal to 51, a2 14 and a3 18. a2 equal to a plus d is equal to 14. And a3 is a plus 2d equal to 18. Subtract minus d equal to minus 4, d equal to 4. And a plus d equal to 14, a plus 4 equal to 14. It means a equal to 10. Now we have to find sum of 51 terms. Sum of 51 terms. It means n equal to 51. 2a plus n minus 1, it means 51 minus 1 into d. You have to solve this and get the answer. 20 plus 54 is 200. 220. 51 220 by 2. 110. And multiply this, you will get the answer. You will get the answer 5610. 5610. Find the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17th term is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. Sum of 7 terms is 49 and 17th term is 289. Solution of question number 9. Sum of 7 terms 49, sum of 17 terms 289. Find the sum of n terms. Sn, formula of sum, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The S7, and n equal to 7. 7 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, 6d equal to 49. 7 7 ja 49, and by taking 2 common, a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is the first equation. And second, 17 by 2, 2a plus 16d. 17 terms, 16d equal to 289. By cancelling 17 7 ja 289. And taking 2 common, cancel 2, a plus 8d equal to 17. Subtracting first equation from the second, you get a cancel, 8d minus 3d 5d equal to 10, d equal to 2. And put the value of d in equation number 1. A plus 2 into 3 is equal to 7, a equal to 1. And find the sum of n terms. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a, and 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d, n minus 1 into 2. 2 ones are 2 plus 2n minus 2. 2 2 cancel, and n by 2 into 2n. 2 2 cancel, n into n is n square. The sum of n terms equal to n square. This is the answer of question number 9. Question number 10. Show that a1, a2 up to an form an AP whose an is defined as an equal to 3 plus 4n. Also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. If nth term equal to 3 plus 4n. an equal to 3 plus 4n, and find the sum of 15 terms. An means putting n equal to 1. a1 equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, 7. And a2 equal to 3 plus 4 into 2, 4 2 जा 8 3 11. And D equal to A2 minus A1. 11 minus 7 equal to 4. A and D. Find the sum of 15 terms. It means n equal to 15. Sum of 15 terms equal to n by 2. 2a, a means 7, plus n minus 1, yani 15 minus 1, 14, and D is 4. Then the answer 15 by 2, 14 plus 14 4 ja 56. 15 by 2 into 70 into 35. 35 into 15, 15 5 is 75, so 525. Sum of the 15 terms is 525. Second part of question number 10, you can solve yourself, same process. Next, question number 11. If the sum of first n terms of an AP 4n minus n square, what is the first term? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, 10th and nth term. The sum of n terms is 4n minus n square. Sum of n terms 4n minus n square. Find the first term, second term, third term, 10th term and nth term. If we put n equal to 1, sum of first term 4 into 1 minus 1 into 1. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. This is a A1. First term is 3. Next, sum n equal to 2. 4 into 2 minus 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. Then the second term is S2 minus S1. It means 4 minus 3 equal to 1. And D equal to A2 minus A1. It means A2 is 1 minus 3 minus 2. And find the third term. Third term equal to A plus 2D. Put the value of A and D. A is 3 and D is A plus 2 into minus 2. Minus 4, 3 minus 4 equal to minus 1. And A10, A plus 9D. A is 3 and 9 into minus 2. Minus 18 minus 3 is minus 15. And AN, A plus n minus 1 into D. A is 3, n minus 1 into minus 2. 3 minus 2n plus 2. The answer equal to 5 minus 2n. The nth term is 5 minus 2n. This is the question number 11. And the question number 12 to 20 you will get in the next video. Thank you.